In this DIY natural upholstery video, I'm going to tell you 2 reasons why you need a ticking fabric around your wool-wrapped latex cushion. Then I'll tell you 2 ways you can sew your ticking fabric. First of all, why do we need to use ticking fabric with wool batting? The first reason is to prevent pilling. So what causes pilling? The answer lies in this microscopic image of a wool fiber. Once this fiber makes its way between 2 threads of a woven fabric, these scales or barbs cause it to migrate in one direction, out to the surface of your upholstery fabric. So you can end up with this unsightly pilling that just keeps coming out no matter how much you shave it off. The second reason is to provide an additional layer of protection for your latex foam from UV damage and drying out. Granted, it does take decades for latex to reach this crusty condition, but I like to ensure the best possible longevity for my natural latex cushions. So what does the best ticking fabric look like? It should be a tight enough weave so that when you hold it up to the light, it looks opaque and you can't see any hint of what's behind it. There are 2 different ways you can apply ticking fabric in your upholstery project. The first way is to cut and stitch your ticking and upholstery cover fabric together, treating the 2 layers as one, eliminating the extra step of making a separate cover. The second way is to stitch a separate cushion cover. In the next video, I'll be answering some of your questions about using ticking fabric with different battings and backings. If this video has been helpful and you want to learn more, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel below.